Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to explore the revolutionary transition from traditional pen and paper systems to computerized maintenance management systems, or CMMS. We'll walk through a typical scenario many of you may be familiar with, and then show you how a CMMS can transform your operations, improve efficiency, and save your organization significant money over time. So, get ready to discover the advantages of a CMMS and how it can help you make smarter business decisions. Let's start with a common scenario. Your organization's maintenance system might be a chaotic mix of word of mouth, phone calls, emails, and sticky notes. An employee discovers a maintenance issue and tries to catch someone to report it. This could be via email, text, voicemail, or even a sticky note on a computer screen. This leads to countless interruptions for maintenance planners and supervisors, significantly reducing productivity. Imagine the maintenance manager or supervisor collecting these scattered requests and entering them into a spreadsheet, planning for the maintenance technician's workload for the next day. The day might start with distributing lists of tasks to technicians. Once assignments are made, technicians head out with their toolboxes and start working through the list. But what happens when a technician realizes that certain jobs are missing parts, or they need to consult a manufacturer's manual back at the office, or they encounter problems they can't solve? Typically, they jot these issues down on a clipboard and turn that information back into the office at the end of the workday. This back and forth, coupled with the hours spent manually assigning work orders, can skyrocket costs for organizations. Now, imagine moving all these tasks into an integrated mobile system. Consider the cost of labor per hour for each company. If a technician is paid hourly and 1 hour a day is spent manually writing down and finding work orders, those numbers add up quickly. We found that the total economic impact of a CMMS can save organizations over $400,000 in just 1 year. So what are the advantages of a CMMS over a traditional pen and paper system? Firstly, a CMMS can create a historic record of maintenance work. This allows the current technician to understand past work that has been completed and enables management to identify which assets are generating the highest maintenance cost. This data can lead to smarter business decisions when it comes to repair or replacement. Secondly, a CMMS can schedule preventive maintenance. These activities can be automatically scheduled into a CMMS, resulting in automated work orders being generated on a regular schedule. Thirdly, a CMMS opens the door to predictive maintenance. This technology anticipates potential asset failures before they occur, so maintenance can be performed at the right time. Fourthly, a CMMS integrates inventory information. In a manual system, it can be difficult to quickly access the availability or location of maintenance, repairs, and operations items. Fifthly, a CMMS provides quick and easy access to checklists and manuals. When a technician visits a service location, they should be able to scan the identification code of a piece of equipment and pull up everything needed to make the repair. Lastly, a CMMS offers a simple way to attach asset photos. This feature gives the maintenance department much more accurate information about the problem that needs attention. In conclusion, making the shift to a CMMS can be daunting for a company that's always handled maintenance requests in the same comfortable and familiar way. However, the potential efficiencies and cost savings make the transformation worth it. Thank you for watching. We've explored the transition from traditional systems to a CMMS and how it can transform your operations, improve efficiency, and save your organization significant money. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos. For more information about UpKeep and our services, visit upkeep.com.